Hey friends, this is B and welcome back to my channel. So today, as you can see, we are unboxing this package. It is purchased from the Nomado store and I was just surprised because the shipping was fast. This shop is located in Belgium and I typically set 3 days for packages that are coming from Japan, and it's really fast. That's all I can say. So let me just open this up really quickly, then we can continue chatting. So I'm recording this video because I haven't seen this item in the internet, how it looks like, and it's from the Superior Labor. Wow. So before I reveal what's inside this bag, obviously it is from the Superior Labor, I'd like to thank Charles and his wife because there's not much pictures or additional information out there, and they were happy to provide that to me. That was actually the deciding factor why I made a purchase, because they sent me additional pictures and it is beautiful. So without further ado, ta-da! Wow. So this is the Superior Labor and Nomado Store collaboration, I believe, because I haven't seen this one except from their shop. And this size that you can see is compact. So as I mentioned earlier, they've sent me additional pictures of it, and his wife showed like how it is. And what I like about this bag, as you can see, is there isn't like that label like this one. There isn't that much branding in the bag, except for you got this turtle charm, and like it's, I don't know. It is also unexpected of me to choose an all leather item in this color. Like, if you know me, you know my staples, it's black, gray, everything. However, when I saw the additional pictures of the bag, it was really, really beautiful. Like the photos, oh my goodness. So, sorry, I'm speechless. And it smells so nice. Oh, thank you. Yes, I paid for this bag. I had to save up for it because if you know the brand, like it's not cheap or affordable. Well, it is depending on the item, but when you talk about their leathers, I mean, it is really, really beautiful. Oh my goodness. So this bag comes with a strap, and I think based from what I've read and how people have used their TSL bags, like if this is an option, I mean, it's all leather, like it has some weight to it, because based on the package, I mean, based on the shipment details, like the whole thing is like a kilo, and just holding this, like it has some weight to it for sure. And it is just, I'm sorry, I am speechless. It is really beautiful. My alternative is to have like a nylon strap. That would be an option for me. I think Baumkuchen sells one, or I could just find something here locally. And about the bag, so usually the branding is placed in here depending on whichever design. And then obviously you've already seen the pocket, and then there's the charm. This thing, like this ones that you see here, are all made of brass. And then inside, I'm going off from what I can recall because I'm still speechless, okay? The lining of the inside of the bag, I don't know if you can see it. Let me, hold on. It is blue, chambray. Sorry if I'm butchering some of the words I'm saying, because yeah, the lining is different. That's all I can say. It is blue. Like the texture of it is as if it's like jeans. For sure this one will soften up in time, but when you visit the Nomado store, like you'll be able to see a much better view of the color. But it is a shade of blue. It's as if it's like denim. I think I already said that. And then inside, before I forget, it is mentioned on their website that when it comes to leather bottoms, because there are different variants of TSL, and this is an all leather bag. The leather itself, from what Charles said, it is Japanese Tochigi leather. Hopefully I'm pronouncing that correctly. And the leather bottom bags that they have, like if this is leather bottom and then the upper portion is canvas, it is mentioned on their website and even on other shops that carry TSL, that the leather bottom ones, they don't have like the other pocket, I believe. So it has two pockets, and I think, oh yeah, forgot to, has this one as well, like the tag is also leather, and it's really detailed. Wow. Okay, sorry. So just for comparison, like this is a pocket notebook, and you see two pockets in here, so obviously it's gonna fit on this side, and then here, like it just fits nicely. So you could probably just put your phone here and then something else here, depending on what you have. Or hold on, pocket can be here, and then I've got my other TSL item, like that would fit on there like that. So that's just for reference. And like if there's like smell-o-vision, I kid you not, it smells so good. Wow, it's really beautiful. I know I've said that many times. And I have this video as like part of my archive, I suppose, because obviously with this particular leather, it will patina. So if that is something that you are okay with, because I remember I messaged another person who had these, can't remember the name, I'm sorry. She said that if you are okay with leather, like aged leather, like it ages with you, then the bag is perfect. I mean, sorry, I can't stop flipping it around. This one is, it doesn't have any like that, it doesn't have like any lining like what you see here. Like, I'd like to see this, like how it looks like 6 months from now, a year from now, something like that. But okay, let me do some measurements. This is in centimeters because why not? So here at the bottom, it is 30 centimeters. And then, because I don't know how TSL measures their bag, wait, let me do it this way. So if I do it like this, the measurement is 40. So the bottom is 30 centimeters, and then the top is 40, and then the side (14.5 centimeters). So when it comes to the sizing of the bag, based on the dimensions I found on different websites, the smallest is called petite, which is what you found on YouTube, and then followed by the analog bag. That one is in collaboration with Baumkuchen. Next to analog is mini, which is offered by other retailers, like for example Smida Paper or Stickerific. And then after the mini size is this one, which is compact, which is exclusive to the Nomado store. Next is the Engineer Bag XS, and then the last size, which is the biggest one, is just called Engineer Bag, or which was previously called S. So if you have any additional questions or anything, just comment down below. Thanks so much again for watching. See you on the next one.